Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily and quickly fix the disabled sound when logging into the TikTok application. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and don't forget to write comments at the end of the video. So let's get down to this topic. And let's say, if you have a problem that every time you log into the TikTok app, you don't hear the sound, so there's no sound. You don't put, let's say, a video, and the sound doesn't appear. Then I'm going to show you how to fix it. As you can see, there's this crossed out sound sign here on the bottom right-hand side. And if you click on it, the sound will appear. Next, I'm going to show you how you can disable this feature. Because every time you log into TikTok, every time you will have it active. To do this, you will need to go to your profile. Then at the top, click on the three bars, now Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down a little bit and select Playback. And as you can see, there's this feature here to open TikTok without sound. So just turn that off. And now, if you log back into TikTok, as you can see, you'll get the sound right away. That's how it is, friends. You can easily fix the muted sound when you log into TikTok. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.